endocrinologist means the super specialist who deals with hormones. Hormones means it could be insulin hormone, it could be thyroid hormone, it could be growth hormone, it could be sex hormones. There are huge number of hormones we have in our body. We are the super specialist for that. So insulin being the one of the hormone, we are the super specialist for the diabetes. The topic given to me is diabetic food. Diabetes, it's quite common. So possibly most of your friends or family, at least somebody will be having diabetes. In your surroundings. It has become so common nowadays. And today I'll be talking about a slightly specialized type of diabetes issue, that is diabetic food. So as you know, diabetes is not just the sugar level or blood glucose level going high. It is the multiple things. Sugar level is persistently high. That is how we label the person as diabetic. But if the sugar is high, why should we everybody be bothered? So why we need to be bothered about diabetes when the sugar is high? Means this high sugar causes multiple complications. Otherwise, high sugar, everybody is happy. So there should not be any issue. But diabetes means it causes end organ damage. So that's the reason we are worried about diabetes, and we have to take care of diabetes and its complications. So the diabetes complication we can classify as two types: microvascular and macrovascular. We say, diabetes will affect the blood vessel, blood circulation, and causes a lot of issues. So if you top to bottom in a person, if you see the brain, diabetes can cause diabetic dementia, the forgetfulness, the brain capacity, IQ, the cognitive function can come down. If you come down slightly, you have eyes. The diabetes can cause cataract, which can hinder the sight. And diabetes is one of the most common cause at present. Diabetes is the most common cause of blindness. So it can cause something known as diabetic retinopathy. The screen behind where the images fall through your lens, eye lens, that we call it as retina. So diabetes causes retinopathy. So the most common cause of blindness now has become diabetes than any other disease. And then if you come slightly down, you have your heart. Diabetes is one of the most common cause of heart attacks, one, and it can cause silent heart attacks also, where person may not even realize that he has got heart attack. That's also a problem with the diabetes.